Right, let's talk about what you sent first. So you sent exercise 2 first, and everything looks and sounds good there. Uh, what's kind of funny is when you sent the 160 beat per minute attempt, you changed the rhythm to make it harder on yourself. So, initially, you know what the rhythm was. Every third note lasts a half note. So basically, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you did the fast one, you made it extra challenging because you went 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you took it yeah, you definitely increased the difficulty quite a bit there, but you had it. It sounds good, so very good. Um, and then, yeah, this guy, both the 60 and the 120 sounding good there, so good progress. So we're going to have 3 new things here, which I just realized I only have one of them up. So let's get all that. So hopefully your thumb's feeling better. We're going to be taking things a little bit further, getting all 4 fingers in use with our chords. So you'll find these shapes in bar chords, but we're not going to be doing any bars. So you could think of it like this. These are basically power chord shapes plus 1 more finger. Yeah, we've done these before. We've done these particular shapes, but we're going to be doing this exercises 1 and 2 in a more chromatic fashion. So we're not in any key, just getting you used to kind of changing strings and playing these particular shapes. So the fingering is going to be the same for every single bar. What's going to change is fret placement. So with exercise 1, basically the idea is you keep changing strings and you keep coming back to the same spot when you start on the low E string. So basically bars 1, 3, 5, and 7, you're going to be arpeggiating an A major chord. Well, for the even number bars, you're basically just going down 1 fret further each time. So it just slightly increases the difficulty as you go with this. The same thing that you do or did last time for exercise 1. You can just put 1 finger down at a time. So you don't need to jump the entire chord right away. You can just do the 1 finger at a time if that makes it easier for you. So here we go, demonstrating at 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4. Now, as far as picking direction, if it feels easier for you to just do all downstrokes, do that. If you want to throw in some upstrokes when you are heading this way, that's fine. Instead of worrying too much about pick direction, at this point, just make it sound good. So again, if just all downstrokes is the easiest thing, that's fine. Just make sure you're consistent with what you do. So this way it's easier to do or easier to play as you get faster and faster. So here's 80 beats a minute. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4. Here comes 100 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4. Alright. So number 2 starts the same way. But when you get to the fourth bar, now we're going to climb a little bit higher. So same shapes. This is now going to go higher up the fretboard. Here is 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4. 80 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4. And 120 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4. Alright. Number 3. Taking things a bit further with getting you used to playing just kind of all over the fretboard there, just seeing different notes in different places. So you got almost all quarter notes here. It's just when you get to the 7th note in a row, then you will have a half note. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then that lasts the 2 beats there. And that's going to be the pattern. So you basically have 2 bars for each kind of note pattern that's happening here. So you see we're kind of going up note after note on one string, and then we go up and down, and then we go 3 notes on one string, and then up and down. Then we're going to go 3 notes up on one string, and then up some strings, down some strings, and then once again on one string we go up 3 notes, and then we change strings going up and down, and then we come back to the A note to resolve the whole thing. So here we go at 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. And I'm going to go ahead and jump to 120 right away, since this one is a slower subdivision. And here it is, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. And, in case you feel like doing the same speed again, here's 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Okay. There we go. So if any questions pop up at all, any questions whatsoever about this new material, let me know, and I'll get you an answer as soon as I can. And I'll plan on seeing you again at our usual time on Monday.